The third way to make money online in Pakistan is Facebook. It is estimated that Facebook is used by more than 2 billion people over the world. There are millions of Facebook pages around the world that are monetized. Your earning starts after you enable monetization. When talking about Pakistan, monetization Facebook is enabled in Pakistan in 2022, but now people can monetize Facebook and make money without investment. When you reach millions of followers on your Facebook page, your page can also be used for promotion as your followers grow day by day. Promoters paid as much as you want. You can start earning money online by making a page on Facebook. The third way to make money online in Pakistan is Instagram. In our modern age, everyone is familiar with Instagram. Everyone has an Instagram account. Instagram is the easiest and fastest way to make money. Create an account and gain followers. The games about online earning depend on Instagram account followers. Do you have an account on Instagram? Do you have an account on Instagram and also have millions of organic followers? Is it possible to earn money online in Pakistan without investment? Your account will be used for promotions, sell images and videos. If you enjoy taking selfies or making videos, then you can definitely make money from your hobby. Making money online can be done in several ways, including selling your photos and videos offline. Now the question is where you sell your photos and videos. You can sell your pictures, videos, etc. on Shutterstock. In addition, there are many other platforms. If you want to find out more about how to earn money online in Pakistan, such as search for it so you can gather as much information as possible. Some sites where you sell images, Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, 500px start teaching online. You can make money through your passion for reading or teaching. How you can make money online based on what you think and what interests you. Online earning websites are ideal for those with a passion for teaching and giving information through social media and other online platforms. When you make your own videos and people learn from them, you are a teacher. Udemy, YouTube, Facebook, and other social networking sites offer as easy way to reach thousands of students. Digital marketing. In other words, digital marketing involves online marketing. Online marketing is a huge platform that enables people to make money in crores of rupees through digital marketing. In online marketing, if you have a product that you want to sell, the thing we use is something called digital marketing. Our goal is to bring customers through digital marketing as much as possible. The goal of digital marketing is to attract customers to your product so that they will buy it.